In this series of tutorials, we're going to go ahead and start modeling our RC car. Before getting started in setting up our references in Maya, you want to make sure that you have set up your project correctly. To do so, go into File, Set Project. I have placed all the files that you need under the announcements, and you can also find them under course content. So now that my project has been set, I want to get access to the port views. I can do so by pressing spacebar on my keyboard. To set up my references, I'm going to go into View, Image Plane, Import Image. Here I'll have my top view of my car selected and click Open, and there you go. The top view of the RC car on the top view, so that's set up correctly. Now let's go into the front. We'll repeat the same steps. Working with reference images in Maya is very helpful for your projects. I can select each one of my reference images. I can also change the size of them. I'm going to change the width and height to 35. This will actually allow me to work with more geometry and to add more definition. And I'm just gonna accommodate each one of these references out of the way so that I can have a better look of what it is that I'm working on. I can turn off my image plane on my perspective panel by going into Show Image Plane. This will help me model from each one of these viewport, the top, front, and side, and see my final product as I work with it on the perspective view. And with this, you are now ready to start modeling.